Okay, we're up on the roof here now, taking a look at the actual install of the Tilcor metal tile roof. So I'm here with Chad. Chad is project manager. So our jobs, when we install these roofs, we have project managers that come out on the site and actually make sure that the work is done, the project is clean, and everything's moving forward. So Chad, let's go ahead and show them how these panels are installed.
Okay, basically we just install the top of the panel tight, fasten it to the roof deck. Then we have a face screw that tacks to the front to hold the tile down, as well as boot flashings here and some valley detail on the front we can go take a look at. Basically, we have W metal. It has higher ridges in the metal here, so the water can pass through out the edge there, and we miter the tile, same style as the valley. So this system here we're installing direct to the deck with these screws here. If you wanted a higher wind zone rating, the second style of installing it would be to a batten system. We screw these screws to the batten as well as nail it to the trusses to give you the higher uplift, and more screws in the front face to fortify it.
Well, Chad, thanks for that help. What I want to talk about a little bit as well is that with most people are familiar with concrete tiles. Well, a concrete tile roof, the water is designed to run under the tiles and on top of the tile and come out the holes in the end of it. And that is what makes it not as good of a roof, because the water is getting to the underlayment. So what we want to do is we want to keep all the water on the top. So these stone-coated metal tiles are going to keep 100% of the water on the top, and then you have your rubberized membrane that's glued directly to the roof. So this roof here is designed to last a lifetime. It doesn't have to be changed, and that's the difference between a concrete tile roof and a metal tile roof. So if you'd like to get more information on it, contact us at kingdomroofinginc.com, and we'd be glad to get you a quote out. Thanks a lot. We'll see you at the next job.